Here's the three. Drains the triple. Bird's got 24. Curve, pass to Whittington. Here's Jordan. From the high post, he drills it. Right wing. Here's Bird. Connects on the 17-footer. Bird's got 5 points now this quarter.
They were ultra consistent from outside, hitting a high percentage of those shots tonight.
Here's Bird. That one goes in to Jordan. Ooh, hits the difficult fadeaway jumper. Harper passes to Pippen. Now Jordan. Shoots over Johnson. Again, the Bulls score. Count the basket. To tie it up. It's good.